Alright, what up everybody? We're about to throw on these tire stickers on the Q50. It came with some cleaner and then the glue. We got a little 15% off for you guys right there. If you guys want to use that. Got some instructions just to clean the back of the tire stickers before you guys throw them on. And the sidewall we're going to clean up too with some acetone. And then we're just going to use some masking tape to throw it on there. Set everything up right and then we'll glue them on. But if you guys didn't see my last tire sticker video on this car, make sure you guys go check it out. We got the tire stickers on the G35 over there. Make sure you guys go check it out. Let's jump right into it. Got the exhaust hanging super low. Super duper low. Got that Art Grip exhaust. How's that looking? Do we got the setup going or do we not? What you know about the setup? Gotta set it up though one time. Get you guys up close real quick. Yeah, make sure you guys clean these off pretty good before you guys put the stickers on, that way it lasts. You guys don't want these things falling off. Make sure you guys set it up right. Preparation is everything.
J.I.B.
Alright, we're gonna knock off everything in between, all these little sidewall nipples, just burn them down. That way you guys have a flat surface. There we go. What you guys think though? How we looking with these?
Yeah, that looks straight.
Get an idea real quick. Damn, now cops are gonna be all over me looking at me.
Did they do it with that other car?
Yeah, with no front bumper, no nothing.
No.
You just kidding.
You're gonna throw a white light in the bottom of your skirt, like it's flames.
With the mask tape?
It's gonna come out like flaming.
Alright, we'll go to the next wheel. Let's take it to the front.
Yeah, it stands out.
It's looking alright. That white reflects hecka hard. That white reflects hella hard. What you guys think? Let's go hit the fronts. That's a little rough draft until we throw the glue on. Let's keep posting them up. Yeah, that's gonna look tight. How we looking? Uncle Logan, check it out. Rough draft, one side, rough draft.
Is it straight?
Looks tight. Let me show you guys, got one side. No tire stickers. Got the G35 tire stickers over here. These yellow ones are tight. I got the new tire stickers. Drop some comments. You guys go drop comments. Let me know your thoughts. Let's go grab the next set. Check out that G35, bro. We gotta get that G35 on there. Get some airtime with the G35. Still standing, still repping. Guys, here's one last look real quick before we get them on for real. Looking hard though. Yeah, we're just gonna go in, take them off real quick, clean it with some acetone on the back sides, and then be pretty generous with the glue, and we'll stick them on. I'll show you guys what's happening afterwards.
J.I.B.
Halfway done, you guys. Let's finish strong. Make sure you guys subscribe up. If you're still watching, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Check out how much glue I got left. I still got like a quarter of a bottle. You guys seen how generous I was being with it. So don't be afraid to go and throw that glue on there. But it's time to wrap it up, you guys. I'll catch up with you guys in the next episode, man. I'm fucking tired. It's time to go night-night, baby, night-night. Alright, let me know what you guys think. Go drop a comment. I'll catch up with you guys next time. Peace out.